What's the meaning of crème fraiche? Crème fraiche. Crème fraiche.
Crème fraiche. Crème fraiche. Crème fraiche is a type of thick and rich dairy cream that originated in France. It is made by fermenting heavy cream with lactic acid bacteria, which gives it a slightly tangy and nutty flavor. The texture is smooth and velvety, with a silky mouthfeel. It has a high fat content, around 30%, and it's commonly used as a topping or ingredient in sweet or savory dishes. Its tanginess makes it an excellent complement to fruit or chocolate desserts, while also adding richness to soups, sauces, and stews.